This is BT41BL 40Group DIN rail mount digital timer switch, which is perfect for school bell, factories, radio equipment, where you will no need to track manual operation of bell. So this is perfect bell programmer. So box is provided with time switch and instruction manual. Backside there is mechanism to attach with screws. This is a BS built strong product. There is LCD display provided, and on top there are 4 contacts. At bottom there are 3 contact, which is NO/NC and common relay contact. Let's see how to do its programming. At first we have to unlock it. There are 5 buttons provided. First one is MD button, then recall button, left arrow, down arrow and up arrow. MD means mode and R means recall. Now follow the instruction for programming as shown in video.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
So I hope you will take smart decision and avoid ringing bell manually and use this BlackT Electrotech bell programmer.